Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Nissan Juke. First of all, we're going to settings, we go to Bluetooth, then I'm watching out at the bottom. Over to the system here, you've got map, info, setup, back, radio, CD aux, but you've got the telephone handle, or the picture of the telephone handle over there. So if I click that, it says connecting to a phone. Well, there's no phones in here that's connected, so I'll just click connect, like so. Pair new device. So watching out at the bottom here. Please start pairing with my car from your Bluetooth device. If device requests PIN, please enter 1234. So my car, click on there. It's generated a random PIN code, so I'm going to click pair, and yes, that matches. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, and there we go, that's connected. So we're looking for my car just to make sure it's connected. My car connected there. That's it done.